Hi, hello everyone. This is M. Shravani from BCom General first year. Today I am here to speak a few words about importance of English. In today's competitive world, importance of English cannot be ignored. English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. People from different parts of the world having different languages as their mother tongue are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Nowadays, English has become the language of education in many countries. In India itself, we have numerous English medium schools. It becomes convenient for a student to get higher education from Western countries if he already knows English. Today, English has also become important to make a good career for many multinational companies prefer a job aspirants who have good knowledge of English. Most documentation work done in offices also in English language. Good knowledge of English language also helps many candidates to seek employment outside India. English literature is very rich and diverse. So with the knowledge of English we have access to many literary masterpieces. Even the internet has more than half of the websites made in English language only. So the English language helps gaining a vast knowledge through the medium of internet. Learning a foreign language helps in developing our personality too. Learning English will be give us to most of the benefits learning a foreign language. In this age of globalization, the whole world seems like a platform of where mode of communication is English. We can share our ideas and communicate easily with English we can express our views to more number of people across the globe. It also helps tourists who visit a different country because many of the people all over the world know English. Tourists can communicate with local people in English language. In today's world of social media, English is the most common language used by everyone on the net. If we want to share our thoughts or work on the internet, then our work can reach to maximum people if we express it in English. English has been the global language from long time and it will be in the future too. It helps us to follow trends and technology and modernization. With so many advantages, learning English is always beneficial for everyone. Thank you for watching.